So, hello guys, and once again, welcome to our course about Shopify and e-commerce. In today's class, we are going to learn how to add a contact page. So, as always, when you go on a website and you buy a product or you read a blog or whatever, and you wanna contact the admin, or if you have questions and you want to contact someone, you need a specific page to be able to contact the person. Well, the admin of the blog. So that's exactly what we are going to do today. Create a contact page for your store. So how do we do it? First step, when you will open your Shopify, you'll be on this page. So the first thing you do, you click on your online store. From there, you click on page. When you are on page, you will, let's delete it. Start again. So we click on add page. You will see a page like this. We click on add page. So title, let's say contact. Let's call the page contact. Here you write the content of your page. So let's write something. Here we go. From here, what's important, you're gonna change the template suffix. You will click on it, you will have page and page.contact. You will click on page.contact. When it's done, very important to save. Once again, here you write anything you want. Okay, then we come back on page. Okay, so as you can see, it's created. Then go on navigation. Very simple. So you choose if you want to put your contact page on your main menu or you want to put it on your footer menu. You can do both. In our example, we're going to do both. So we go on our main menu first. Click add menu. Name, let's say contact. And we choose our page. So pages. And the only page we have is contact. We click on add. As always, we don't forget to save. When it's done, we come back. As I said before, we're gonna add it in both menus, so main and footer, so in upper page and lower page. Name, contact, and link, once again, page, contact. And we click on add. When it's done, we save the menu. After all this, we click on navigation, we back in, and we come back on our online. So as you can see before, both of our pages are saved. We come back on our online store. We click on customize. So just for you to see how it looks like. So you have your home, watch, bag. So that's our two products we added before, and our contact page. So let's click on it. So as you can see, that's the contact form. And when a person will enter her name, her email, phone number, and the message, you will see, the person will click on send, and all those informations will be received on your Shopify email. So you will receive everything. If the person has a questions or whatever, you will receive it on your Shopify email, and you will be able to answer directly to this person. And also what's cool with Shopify is that when you enter an email, when you're gonna create your store, you will have a professional email on your Shopify. So all the emails will go to this email, and they will be you have a feature that you can redirect all those emails to your personal email, so you'll receive them directly, or you just can see on your Shopify email, you receive all of the emails from this little contact form. So as you saw, guys, that's the way to do if you want to create a contact page. So very simple. Let's do it once again in fast forward. So first thing we do, we go on right here on our page. We'll click on it. Add, well, we will have the page, create a page. You click on the page. So you write your text here. It can be more complicated than this. You choose your template suffix, very important, contact page. Click on save. When it's done, you go on navigation. Let's say you want to put it just on your main menu. Go on main menu, add menu, link, page. You have your contact page and name, contact. If you want to change the name, you can change the name. Click on add. Then when it's done, just click on save, and the page will appear on your Shopify, on your eCommerce, so on your website here. So once again, thanks guys for watching, and see you in the next class when I'm gonna show you how to add a logo to your website.